KahindoTech. I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing video here today. And as you can see here, I have in front of me, I'll be unboxing a drone. And I have the Phoenix for you. And I wanted to pick this drone because it was something, it has like a medium price for what I would say. It was about 270 something, I'll say, around there. So I wanted like to get not too much of a basic drone, but not too expensive, because it's gonna be my very first drone. So here we go. Let's start the unboxing experience. This video is brought to you by simforce.com, the one-stop shop for all your cell phone accessories. Are you tired of overpaying for headphones, chargers, screen protectors, or other mobile accessories? Then you should check out simforce.com. At SimForce, they sell high-quality accessories for reasonable prices. And the best part is, you can find all the accessories that you need in one place for half the price. Guys, check out SimForce and stop overpaying. The link is in the video description. Now, let's get back to the video. We're gonna open up the box right here. Let's see what we got here. Whew. Okay. We have a little fancy box suitcase that comes with it, as you can see. Ooh. Okay. Let's open up and see what's inside. Open this up. Okay. So that comes with it's a menu on how to use it. My lighting's a little bit bad. There we go. All right. It looks pretty simple. Let's begin by opening out, getting out. This is the controller. It's the one that. There we go. Comes with a little controller thing. Right here. This is what you use to control it. And as you can see, I'm opening it up. You set like your phone right here. And then there are the controls. When you're flying it, it's pretty simple. There's a button here to take a picture. And I think these are the lighting or altitude. I'm going to have to learn the controls, honestly, because I've never played with this before. Oh, there we go. So if you open it all the way up, you can set your phone right here as you're flying the drone. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's put this back on the side. All right, and then next to that, we have here, it comes with 2 batteries, like I said. And they say each one of them can fly up to 30 minutes. So that's pretty good, because most of the drones that I was looking at, they could only fly like around 10 to 13 minutes. All right, and what we have here, this is the USB charger. So you plug into the computer and then charge this battery. And then after you have charged the battery, you can open. This is the one that actually goes into like the wall as you're charging it. But then when you want to charge the battery that goes into the drone, you plug it in, and there you go. That's how you can charge the batteries. All right? So this is the battery charger, and this is the actual battery right there, as you can see. Let's put those to the side. And this is just the USB cable that comes with it. And then the drone also comes with a pair of extra wings. As you can see here, the lighting's a little bit off. Comes with a pair of extra wings. All right, and then the final. Let's pull out the drone. Ta-da! Here it is, man of the hour. And it's foldable, so let me remove this. Here's a little warning here. Stop, do not fly drone prior to completing the following. And there's like a set of instructions that you're supposed to follow. All right, anyway, so it's a foldable drone. So you open it, unfold the wings, and you take the battery, plug it into this bad boy. Ta-da! And there you go. This is the Phoenix drone. As you can see right here. Look at this bad boy. Isn't she sexy? Look at that. There you go. Let's go to that camera. That's how it looks like. It's pretty nice and small. And I think because it's able to fly for so long because of how small it is. There you go. That was the Phoenix drone unboxing. And let's put all this stuff to the side so we can see again everything that comes with the drone. As you can see here, the drone itself right there, the controller for the drone, the charger, and 2 batteries. This is the extra battery, okay? There we go. We can fly it out. And then coming up, I'll go and show you the actual flight of the drone. All right? So let's go.